So I would like to share with you this super easy, zero-cost technique to help you improve your listening, to help you improve your speaking skill, most importantly, to boost your confidence, to make you have a better accent. So, are you ready? 准备好了吗？ So this technique, it's called imitation technique. Imitation technique, 模仿技巧。模仿技巧。模仿 means imitate, that is to copy native Chinese speakers. That is, when you hear what they say, you repeat exactly the same thing. But how? I call it speak with emotions. 要把情绪也加进去. You have to speak with emotions, because if you don't, you are just reading textbooks. In order to copy very well, you have to include also the facial expression, the emotions, interjections, the tone, the stress of the sentences. Here I would like to show you a perfect example of imitation technique. So I'm going to take the example of Will Smith. It's not because he's a celebrity or because I like him. It's just because 2 months ago, he went to Taiwan and I was really surprised the way how quickly he picked up the Chinese language. He spoke with emotions. He copied exactly how the locals say. 请看.
How do you say go?
开始。
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 Yes.
开始。Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
开始。开始。That's very good. How do you say very good?
好喝。
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 好喝。好喝。好喝。
What do you think? 你觉得怎么样? Of course, he might be exaggerated, but I have to say, the fluency and the stress, he got it all right. For example, 开始. It's true, we stress 开始 like that. 开始. Okay, it's quite strong. 开始. So if you can grasp this idea, then your Chinese sounds really like a native speaker. And then when he said 好喝,好喝, he copied exactly like them. Because it's true, when we say 喝, our face tends to lift up a little bit. 好喝. Okay? It also helps you to improve your tone. 好喝. If you are not used to speak with emotions, it's hard for you to understand a native Chinese speaker. To be able to do that, tip number 2, 第二个. Speak as a whole sentence. Alright, so when you speak, do not just speak word for word. Do not cut or separate them. I know many of you try to get the tone right 100%. But the truth is, it's just impossible. Even for native Chinese speaker, it's impossible. Because once you do that, you might sound like a robot, just like this.
听起来像机器人。
Let me show you this example. Okay, the famous formal way to say hello is 你好,你好. Unfortunately, in daily life, we don't say this way. It's impossible to get the third tone just perfectly. No, we tend to say 你好,你好. Okay? So pronounce 2 together. 你好. Or good morning. 早安,早安. No, I want you to pronounce all together. 早安,早安. Okay? That makes your Chinese sound really natural, just like native Chinese speaker. Or let's try a longer sentence. What are you doing? 你在做什么？你在做什么？ But when you say it quickly, it becomes 你在做什么？你在做什么？ I know it's quick. One more time. 你在做什么？ So now we're going to practice this officially. So now I want you to listen and repeat. I want you to listen, observe my mouth, my facial expression, and then I want you to copy exactly the same thing. Okay? So you can make a longer pause if you want to. 你周末要做什么？你周末要做什么？还不知道。还不知道。可能去看电影吧。可能去看电影吧。你呢？你呢？我朋友来台湾玩。我朋友来台湾玩。我想带他去台北101逛逛。我想带他去台北101逛逛。你朋友？你朋友？他是哪国人？他是哪国人？他是日本人。他是日本人。你一定要带他去夜市。你一定要带他去夜市。还要去吃夜市的小吃。还要去吃夜市的小吃。还要喝珍珠奶茶。还要喝珍珠奶茶。对对对，我们一定会去夜市。对对对，我们一定会去夜市。我们还会去看演唱会。我们还会去看演唱会。哇，好像很好玩。哇，好像很好玩。你想不想一起来？你想不想一起来？好啊，可以吗？好啊，可以吗？当然可以。当然可以。Okay, so what do you think? 你觉得怎么样？ Tell me how you feel about this technique, and I really hope it can help you boost your confidence and help you improve your listening. 谢谢你们，拜拜。